Hi guys, I'm Tracy Lockwood Beckerman. I'm a registered dietitian, author, YouTube host, and the face behind The Happiest Nutritionist. And I'm here to answer your questions. Who doesn't love snacking? With so many options to choose from, I'm giving you my dietitian-approved guide to picking the perfect snack. What makes a snack perfect is personal preference, but there are 3 things that I specifically look out for. Number 1, a perfect snack is made from real ingredients you could recognize and pronounce, and delivers high-quality nutrition. Your snack should include a combo of healthy fats, protein, and carbs from real food to ensure you're actually left full and fulfilled from balanced nutrition. Eating all 3 macronutrients together is key in offering you essential vitamins, satisfaction, and balanced blood sugar levels so you can tackle the day with staying power and ease. Number 2, the ideal snack has to fit into your busy lifestyle and has to be perfectly portable too, so you aren't slaving away trying to put together a well-rounded and thoughtful snack, or worse, stuck hungry without anything to munch on. Yikes! Number 3, snacks should be something you are excited to bite into with hopes of satisfying your initial craving. That's why I grab the dark chocolate chip peanut butter perfect bar. It's creamy, full of protein, and has a hint of sweetness coming from the organic honey and dark chocolate chips that satisfies my snack attack. Happy snacking!